Verifying your identity on SoFi is an important step to ensure the security of your account. Follow these simple steps to complete the process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the SoFi website or app and click on the option to create a new account. Fill in the required personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Step 2. Provide identification. Once your account is created, you will be prompted to provide identification. This may include uploading a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, to confirm your identity. Step 3. Verify your phone number. SoFi will send a verification code to the phone number you provided during account creation. Enter this code in the designated field to verify that you have access to that phone number. Step 4. Answer security questions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Review and submit. After completing the previous steps, review all the information you have provided to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit your identity verification request. You will receive a confirmation once your identity has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help you verify your identity on SoFi, allowing you to access your account securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoFi's customer support for assistance.